Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're checking out the BLACKDECKER 750-watt ice crushing blender, a powerful kitchen tool that promises to make your blending tasks quicker, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a fan of frozen drinks, or just looking for a reliable all-rounder in your kitchen, this blender might be what you're looking for. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The BLACKDECKER 750-watt ice crushing blender boasts a 750-watt peak power, which is more than enough to tackle all sorts of kitchen prep tasks. From crushing ice to making smoothies, it's designed to handle various functions, including chopping, blending, pureeing, and even making dips or dressings. It features 8 speed settings, plus a pulse function, which means you can adjust it to the specific texture you're after. The blender's 6-tip stainless steel blades are not just about sharpness. They're designed for efficiency, ensuring that your ingredients are processed quickly and evenly. And if you're blending something thick, like frozen fruit, you don't have to worry about struggling. It handles that too. Now let's talk about the jar. The 56-ounce PerfectPour jar is large enough for multiple servings at once, making it perfect for batch cooking or entertaining. The jar comes with level markings to help you measure out your ingredients easily. And when it's time to pour, the dual opening lid offers convenience. The hinged ingredient slot allows you to add liquids or solids while blending, and the hinged spout stays closed during pouring, which prevents those messy spills that often happen with blenders. But what really stands out about the BLACKDECKER blender is how easy it is to clean. The PerfectPour jar, dual opening lid, and the 6 removable blades, which are 30% larger than standard blades, are all dishwasher safe. So after you've whipped up your smoothies or crushed ice for cocktails, cleanup is simple and fast, leaving you with more time to enjoy your creations. Now, I've spent a good amount of time using this blender for various tasks. From blending smoothies to making frozen drinks, the 750-watt motor really shines. I was able to blend frozen fruits and ice without any struggle, and it gave me a nice, smooth texture every time. The 8-speed settings were useful too. I could dial it up or down depending on what I was making. Whether I was mixing a dip or pureeing some vegetables, the performance was consistent. One thing I did notice though was that when using the highest speed for something like crushing ice, it did make a bit of noise. It's not overly loud, but it's something to keep in mind if you're blending in a quiet environment. That said, it gets the job done with little effort. As far as ease of use goes, this blender is pretty straightforward. The 56-ounce jar is a good size for most household needs, and the dual opening lid made adding ingredients while blending super convenient. It's also worth noting that the 6-tip blades really help when you're working with tough ingredients like frozen fruit or ice. They cut through effortlessly. However, if you're looking for a blender that's entirely quiet, this one might not be for you. It's not noisy, but it's definitely audible during higher speed operations. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, this blender is powerful, versatile, and easy to clean. The large jar and the ability to add ingredients while blending are big wins for convenience. The 8-speed settings offer flexibility, and the 6-tip stainless steel blades ensure that your ingredients get blended to the right consistency. On the downside, the noise level could be a turnoff for some, especially if you're blending at the highest speed. While it's not overpowering, it's definitely noticeable. Another small drawback is that the blender doesn't come with a dedicated tamper. So if you're working with thick mixtures, you'll need to stop and stir occasionally to ensure everything blends smoothly. When it comes to value for money, the BLACKDECKER 750-watt ice crushing blender offers a lot of bang for your buck. For a blender with this much power, versatility, and capacity, it's priced reasonably. You're getting a solid performer with features like the removable 6-tip blades, the large jar, and easy-to-clean design, all for a price that's competitive compared to other blenders on the market. When you compare this model to others in the same price range, it stands out because it offers such a wide array of functions without costing a fortune. If you're looking for an alternative, there are certainly other blenders out there. Like the Ninja Professional Blender, or the Hamilton Beach Power Elite. However, the BLACKDECKER model competes well with these options in terms of power, capacity, and convenience. While the Ninja might offer slightly more advanced features, it also comes with a higher price tag. So, if you're looking for something that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one holds up well. The build quality of this blender feels solid. The plastic jar is durable and the motor provides consistent power, so you don't have to worry about it giving out on you too soon. While I haven't had the blender long enough to comment on long-term reliability, BLACKDECKER is a brand that has a decent reputation for manufacturing reliable appliances. It's fair to say that, based on my experience, this blender should last for a while with proper care. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out during my time with the blender, but BLACKDECKER generally has a good track record when it comes to customer service. They offer support through various channels, including phone and email, which is always a good sign if you ever run into issues. When it comes to updates, this particular blender doesn't require any software updates, as it's a more straightforward kitchen appliance. However, if you're looking for a blender that syncs with apps or offers smart features, that's not something you'll find here. This is more of a workhorse that focuses on performance, not on adding extra tech features. To sum up, the BLACKDECKER 750-watt ice-crushing blender is a solid, no-nonsense appliance that offers plenty of value. It's got the power, versatility, and ease of use that most people are looking for in a blender. Whether you're making smoothies, crushing ice, or preparing dips, it handles everything with ease. While it's a bit noisy at high speeds and lacks a tamper for thick mixtures, it delivers on performance and ease of cleanup. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable blender that gets the job done, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've got any questions about the BLACKDECKER 750 ice crushing blender, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you've already got one, we'd love to hear about your experience. Remember, the link to grab one for yourself can be found in the comments. Goodbye till next time, and keep blending with Reviews Inside TV.